When I first started at the practice, we were still in the old days of paper charts and hand stamping the date and running them all over the office. We moved into digital charting, which was awesome, but what really changed the game was having a cloud-based solution so that we could work from anywhere. Being able to pull up a patient from any country, I've gotten in and pulled information for payroll from Italy before. So there are so many different ways you can use it. We've got some remote workers. We've got a gal in North Carolina that's a virtual TC for us, things that were just not possible before. Patient flow is a big one. We use that all day, every day. Doctor is here, doctor calling. Reporting is fantastic. I actually really like Data Miner. That might make me sound a little bit nerdy, but I think once you get the hang of it, you can really cull any piece of information you want from the software. The patient portal is great for patients who need to make a payment, maybe outside of their regular contract, make an extra payment. If they've missed an auto payment, they can go in, look at their last payment information, and there's a nice little blue button that says make a payment. They can click it right there and it processes right through. Cloud9 has added several new modules that increase that patient communication and improve the experience. Cloud9 Connect is one. It's a two-way texting feature. It also has emails built in, as well as HTML email campaigns. The other one is Cloud9 Signature, and that allows a patient to fill out their paperwork within their portal, so you don't necessarily have to go to an outside vendor for those digital intake forms. It's been great. We switched to Cloud9 in 2011 after a significant server event. So at the time we had 2 satellite offices that were running off of a terminal server. We went to do an update, the terminal server crashed and had to be completely rebuilt. So our team was down for an entire week with the prior software. Our IT guy, for lack of a better word, was like, we can't do this anymore. Like, we just can't. We need a system, a solution that's going to be cloud-based so that we can access it from anywhere seamlessly. So that was really the start of why we switched to Cloud9. We needed the reliability. And to be frank, it has been amazing. We were so scared that having a cloud-based solution would put us at the mercy of the internet, but we've been so lucky over the last, 10 plus years that we've never had a significant outage. But that was really the story as to why we chose Cloud9. With Cloud9 forms, it will eliminate that duplicating efforts. If you're using paper forms, this will allow you to have the patients enter in their information. It'll go directly into your system. And they can sign any forms, contracts, anything through signature. Texting during COVID was sort of the epitome of what's saved our practice. So the ability to have that two-way communication with your patient without having to go to an outside platform is really critical. Patients expect it, and quite frankly, that's how they want to communicate. Their phone is in their hand at all times, and if you can get to them through texting, then that's what they want.